Hey girls, I'm going to do an eyeshadow tutorial with you all. My favorite palette right now is the Milani Gilded Mini in the shade 140, the Wind Down. I love a good mauve-y, purpley eyeshadow palette to go with. I have green eyes, so I feel like those are the best shades. Clear. I could cry. I just had this all videoed with my eyeshadow tutorial and then it disappeared. So I'm going to pretend I haven't already done all my eyeshadow and walk through it again. I use the Milani Gilded Mini and I use like 3 of the colors. This one, and this one. Sometimes a little bit of this one. That's it. So let's walk through this again. And then I'm going to make another one tomorrow, starting from fresh. Just take a brush and I dab it into the light shimmer color. And I go all over. And it's very pigmented on both sides. Takes me like 2 seconds. And then I take another round eyeshadow brush, fluffy. Take my fluffy brush and I take it into this shimmery mauve color here. And I go all over the crease on both sides. And it's so pretty. And then I have a 2-sided eyeshadow brush. I've had this for years. And I dab it into that same color that I take on my lids here. And I go underneath the bottom lid. And then I take my other fluffy end and dab it into this dark, that color all over the corners for your smoky look. And that is literally it. Sometimes I take a little bit of this lighter shimmer color and do a little bit right in here. These colors are so pretty, they're so pigmented, and they're perfect for green eyes. So easy.